Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her social.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dipped in Chocolate. So yes, I've been slacking and everything, but bear with me, okay? Bear with me. So today's Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, and I want to do a weekly vlog for you guys, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure like if I can hold out to do the whole vlog from Monday till about Friday, but I am trying, right? So tomorrow I have about 3 classes. I have 3 classes, so I'm gonna try. But guys, I'm gonna wash tomorrow. So I'll bring you guys with me while I'm washing, and I have class. Tomorrow's not gonna be too hectic, so I hope that I get to vlog out my day and tell you guys about my experiences. Tuesday until I think Friday is when everything picks up, and you know, you guys will get more entertaining content. Also, I want to get my hair done. You see my hair under the bonnet, my hair is not done, so I hope I get to do my hair by this weekend or something. And I also need to refill my nails. Yes, crooked. So I also need to refill my nails. I don't know if I'm going to do it in this vlog or another vlog, but I definitely need to get my life together and show you guys what's going on, because I need to stop slacking. I see people on the road calling to me, "Hey, Dipping Chocolate, I need a vlog," and I'm just here. I'm just like, I just been on Netflix. I just been staying home, chilling, trying to recuperate myself, trying to, you know, get myself back, you know. So that's what I've been doing. I am not like going out and enjoying myself and not bringing you guys with me, you know, them type of vibe there. Yes. So I hope this week can be a fulfilling week and a entertaining week, so that you guys can be entertained. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when the Girl Dipping Chocolate uploads another video. So let's go.
Brings with it. 30 hertz straight up.
So I finished brushing my teeth and all that. So I'm just going to go pick up my clothes for school tomorrow. So guys, for my outfit for tomorrow, I'm just gonna be wearing this light green dress with this shirt underneath, and you know, my bag. I'm gonna be putting my iPad, and oh, I just only bring my iPad to school. I don't necessarily I don't bring books because I don't use books, so I just bring my iPad. I'll be just having my iPad in the bag, and I'll just wear my purple Crocs. I have limited storage, so every minute my phone like say you don't have the storage irritated. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna just read my Bible. I always read my Bible at night, so I'm gonna just read my Bible and watch some YouTube video, then head to bed. One of my favorite YouTubers is Tavian, so I'm just gonna watch some of her videos and head to bed. And then, you know, tomorrow I try to wake up early for my 10 o'clock class. I'm also gonna wash tomorrow, so yeah, I have all of that to do tomorrow. I just hope that I'll be consistent throughout the week with the vlog, and also keeping you guys updated with everything that I'm doing. So yeah, let's just hop into tomorrow.
30 hertz straight up.
Guys, I'm walking out to get a taxi, and then I'm gonna drop off my things at Taylor Hall. Then I'm gonna head to class. I'm late for class, not as usual. Sometimes the lectures don't start until like about 15 minutes in class, so I guess I have a little time. So I'm gonna get a taxi just now, but the journey was chaotic because him say I go one destination, then him turn the other way. You understand? But we still end up on campus. I drop off, I'm for drop off, I head to class. So yeah, will see me. Until just coming from New Block, just go drop off something. Heading to I have three classes today. Three classes, but one is online, so that don't really count because I just did a class one time down my yard. Yeah, I'm super duper tired. But say guys, I want to do the 5 a.m. that girl challenge for you guys. See if I can wake up 5 a.m. in the morning and be productive. Like I want to try that shit, but I don't know if I can do it.
Being in the economy, or to create jobs, or to provide economic relief for its citizens, aka welfare. We must try work out the code destiny do right.
U.S. state had ordered all remaining banks to close at the end of the fourth, banking panic, and it was so bad at the U.S. Treasury, right? Bottom line, the government couldn't pay government.
So guys, I'm now waiting on it to wash the clothes. Then I have a class right now, by the way, and I don't think it's wise for me to leave the clothes and not wait until them finish, right? I'm not sure what I should do, but I figure it out. So guys, I'm here sitting on the corridor on the stairs. I'm on the online class, waiting on my clothes to finish washing so I can head to my yard dead. So I gotta take out the clothes because I'm supposed to don't wash. A little chat because I'm waiting on my clothes to dry. So I'm here trying to pull up my hair because I want to go to the gym tomorrow. I'm wondering if I should wash my hair after the gym or before the gym. I'm not really sure, but my hair really need to do. I'm gonna get my hair done, but the thing is, I'm not sure when. Because as a girl you want to get your hair done the right time, is it? So I really wanted to go with a natural hairstyle until I get my hair done, because I'm thinking about putting on a wig. Yeah guys, you guys kind of realize I'm a kind of wig girly. Alright, I do love my natural hair. It has body, it has length and everything. I love it so much, but the thing is I can't really manage it. The reason why I say I can't really manage it is because you see, when it is knotted, it is really hard to handle, and I think me not having the patience is what will cause me to explode when dealing with my natural hair. You understand? So I would just cane it, go back and put on a wig. You understand? Because I can just drag on the wig, put a cap on the wig, do anything with the wig. You understand? With my natural hair now, you see the Nationality, I can't really do anything with it because if it is not like properly done, it doesn't really look good. Yeah, we kind of look barbaric. Cause you see, if it's not moisturized, if it not wash, you have to do them certain type of things that you naturally hair, or else problem. Oh, I'm naturally I can relate. Cause let me tell you, this is a stress, you know. Me, I don't know if I should go down and wash it or try to comb it out and plait it up and then tomorrow I just catch it up in one or whatever. But I'm going to think and I'm going to think hard about it. But I think my clothes is ready, so I'm going to go for it and call an in drive to take me to my house. When I go home, I'm going to cook and also finish up an assignment, and also I have a class at 3. My alarm is gonna go off at 3 o'clock, so I'm not going to miss that class. It's online, by the way, so yeah. I think we have an exam next week, Friday, so I really want to be at that class so that revision, I'll be at revision and be participating because, child, let me tell you, them class here stress me out. You see, anytime I touch March, either university or any school, I be assignments, be a school work, and I'm just tired. I'm tired, bad. Going smoothly. So I finally reach my yard now, and guys, I can't stay steady because I'm hungry. So I go buy something for cook, and I have rice already from yesterday, so I go cook something. I don't know can I make me feel fast, and I go to the road and think about it and buy something for cook. And I go cook. I go cook while I'm in class. After I'm done class, I go shower, then I go eat, then I go do my assignment. I have an assignment we due Friday. I'm have 2 we due Friday, but I don't want them bungle up on me, understand? So I'm trying to get those out of the way. Plus next week Friday I have an exam, and child, I don't even know nothing. So yeah. So guys, I'm now So guys, I'm now on class, but I'm trying to cook up something for myself because trust me, I am so hungry. Understand? So I just fry some chicken and warm up the rice and peas what I have from yesterday. Sunday, Monday, yeah. And just get that started because trust me. So I have the I'm doing the 2-dip solution. So I season up the chicken, then I have the flour, and then I have the eggs and I dip it in. I'm just gonna fold up some of these clothes while I wait on the chicken to fry. Guys, I don't use, some clothes well nice.
Brings me that. 30 hertz straight up.
contemplating whether I should wash my hair, yes or no, or try to just put it in a protective style until tomorrow I wash it. But I'm definitely gonna wash it now. So I'm gonna show you the products that I use to wash my hair and also the products that I use in my night routine. It's not night now, it's evening. I think it's after 6. Not night now. But I'm gonna take a shower and wash my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys my routine. Also, it's gonna be kind of difficult to wash my hair seeing that I have on these nails, and also this is gonna clamp, this I got stuck in my ear, this both thing, but we'll get through it. So I'm gonna be listening to some R&B mix and get myself looking better than how I look today.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
So guys, now I'm chilling all in my bed attire. I'm gonna be watching Blood and Water, and also I'll be doing my school assignment, and then I'm gonna just relax a little and then then brush my teeth and go to sleep. So guys, I'm up watching Blood and Water. Y'all need to watch the freaking show. Like, it's having me, it's 12, it's 17 minutes past 12, and I'm screaming at the top of my voice. Like, this is crazy. Like, why a mother do all of this? We shouldn't know our limit. So guys, right now I'm getting ready for the gym. Get ready for the gym. I'm gonna walk up so that I can start. What is
Beep.
I'm gonna walk up so that I can start off my exercise. I'm not bring not much, but just gonna bring, yeah, I'm gonna bring my bag. I'm gonna bring my bag. And then look good. Gym is an important thing, you know, guys. Gym is something where you must look good. So guys, this is my OOTD. What should I put here? I found that 14%. I don't know why. I don't know why I don't know my limits. I don't know why I don't know my limits. Because no matter how I have my charger, the extension and everything they near me, I still end up don't charge my phone. So I'm therefore heading to the gym to see what's happening there. My first time at UWI gym. Yeah. To work out. So let's go. Let's see how it works. Guys, I want to buy something to eat first, but I don't know what. I might just get a boom and something else. So guys, I'm just saying I'm never eating breakfast. I really do want to eat something before I go inside because, right? So I'm just gonna eat a what is it again? I don't know him again. This
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Open your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk.
guys, that was a time. Right now I'm peeing up, my hand peeing up, foot peeing up, my back peeing up, everything peeing up. So I'm just gonna head home, take a shower, and finish some assignments. So this is it for today. I'm tired. After I take the shower, maybe I go take some rest, I go sleep, and then I am going to finish up some assignments because I have 2 assignments were due Friday, and them wanna play something, so I have to get them done ASAP. And so I'm gonna head down now and take a shower. So yep. So guys, I've been chilling on the iPad from Acom, trying to finish the assignment. Now I'm gonna go get something to eat. I go on campus, go check out the go meet Silver Grove for my food. Yeah. So guys, me I pass the ball, and you know the boy them over there start play the football, people them over there start play tennis, them over there start track and field, over there start swimming. You know, don't have festive, but like I live near to the campus, and on the campus you can do a lot of things, so that is very good. But I don't do it. Like the gym is free, and this is the first time today I went to the gym. The swimming pool is discounted if you have a UWI, and mostly one time I go over there for swim. I don't really go up on the field. You know, a lot of things is at my disposal, but I don't take advantage of it. But I need to. I really need to. So guys, I just get my KFC just now from Silver Cream. It take long, but you know, they are my friend. KFC. So guys, I'm heading back home. My friend is watching me while I got down. Heading back home to eat. Bye! My friend is watching me so that I can walk down safely. And she can make sure that I'm okay. Even though down here kind of busy, but you know, ball is not somewhere you want to play with. So I make sure that I have either company or I may talk to somebody on the phone. Yeah, while I'm walking. I'm talking to y'all, so y'all need to keep me safe.
Start with the name Gregory Dixon. Wendy, please. It was just a stupid kiss.
Guys, so I just woke up. I have a class at 2 o'clock. I have classes from 2 o'clock beyond. I think I have only 2 classes today. One tutorial and one lecture. 2 tutorial and 1 lecture. I'm just gonna spread up my bed, take a shower, you know, do my hygienic things and get ready for school. It's not early, but I'm gonna go on campus early today because light gone. Yeah, it's the ghetto. Light gone, and we really need the internet. So mega do what I always do. I'm not gonna eat no breakfast. Maybe go up on campus and get one food at welfare. But let's see how that works out. So I'm not heading to school. I just retwisted the twist at the front. Guys, I'm thinking about going to a party this Sunday, but I'm not sure if I do go. I don't think I would put it in this vlog, but I'll just make it have a vlog for its own, because I would get ready, like do my hair and get ready to go. So that would be a vlog of its own, but I'm not sure yet. I got the tickets to go and everything, but I'm still not sure. I'm gonna have to confirm by this Saturday. Yes, I'm heading to school. I'm just gonna walk to school today. Yeah, just gonna walk to school today and things. So I'll show you what I see and everything while walking to school. So guys, I'm looking so cute. Look at my natural hair. Look at me going to the people in school. Thick girl. As I'm now on campus, I am going to Welfare to buy something to eat because the girl is hungry, right? So I'm going over there. I'm just a girl. So I'm inside of my first class for the day.
Email, right? Like I don't want any personal email. I think, wait, you know what?
So guys, I'm heading to my philosophy class right now.
There was something on belonging and unbelonging that is attached. It was what I had promised to show you guys from Doreen Shepherd's Jamaica, but she did say in other Caribbean regions. They're trying to understand who is more.
To develop 3 stages of Caribbean philosophy. Who's this man? Can he, is he credible enough to take such claims? So, Paddy Henry is a professor of sociology and Africana studies at Brown University. Brown University at London. His specializations are dependency theory, Caribbean political economy, the sociology of religion, the sociology of art and literature, Africana philosophy.
So guys, I finished my 2 classes and I'm heading home now. Yeah, I'm just gonna head home, try finish one assignment because I'm sending one of my assignments them last night. I finish up, even start one assignment I'm supposed to do and finish up for going Friday. And I have an exam next week Friday. So guys, trust me, I know nothing like last day, so I'm going to have to sit down and study.
Fuck the world, I'm a walking erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how Brent is.
Don't open your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all.
Morning guys, so come look crazy, but I just woke up and I'm gonna get something to eat. So I'm boiling some eggs and I have grits, so I'm gonna try to cook it and eat it with the egg later on. I think today is just about cooking and chilling and getting some assignments done. Today's Thursday. It's sports day at UWI. I don't think I'm gonna go, but it would be nice for the vlog, so I'll think about it and maybe go over there and get some clips. But if not, I'll just stay home. Also, um, what do I have to say to you guys again? Oh, I'm gonna cook later on, so you guys gonna be there with me. Also, I have an assignment to go in tomorrow, so I have to stay up and do that. So yep.
Brings me that. 30 hertz straight up.
So guys, it ended up saying I go over the field for check out sports day. I'm not gonna stay long because I have an assignment, couple assignments. Like I have about 10 assignments, no cap, 10 literally. Plus I need to study for exams. So maybe just freshen up, go over there, come back, try to get this website review finished. I'm doing website review. Take a shower, and then like the feed is literally next to my house, so it won't take long. Just in a crop top and a shorts, like it's nothing too much, like it's literally across the road. So yeah, my foot pain up from the gym. Always active, like when you're always active over there. So track and field practice. I think yesterday they were playing cricket. Big real fish team. So I'm seeing the cheerleaders. Like it's a big thing, guys. We didn't want to miss this. It's a big thing.
Persons at the tent, final announcement for you to be seated. Kindly go back to Nicholas. And Miss Facey. So as soon as the judges are ready, judges, are we ready?
Was stopped then by these blue and white students. Why them are them are well done.
You need a lot of excitement.
It's even in the blink. Go there in the blink.
Hi, Tia. Hi, Kamoya. Bye. Hi, Tig.
Are you ready? Don't worry, I'm ready. The reason why I'm asking you because you're not children. Me.
Oh, let me start.
As I'm heading home, and when we reach home, I go finish my work. Well, I go up at school first, go draw some money, and then I go buy something to eat, and then yeah. I feel like Taylor I gonna do good this year, but we just hope. So I am in Hilo, looking for some things to buy. So let us see how it turns out. Tin products. Yes, guys, this is me the next day heading to work. So I did my little makeup. My hair wasn't done. My hair isn't done the same way. So I just did it into a nice natural hairstyle. So now me reach at work, me go bother everybody, So me annoy everybody and I video them and yeah. Evil Chanel who don't want their part of the video. So I reach at work for like about 30 minutes now and I have to drink a soup because girl, I'm hungry. So I had to drink a soup. Yeah, so this is the soup. So there's the after party after, work. So it's crazy. So I had to go. So this clip shows the party. So hey guys, I am home. I took a shower, I ate and everything. I am home from work. It's now like 12:30 something because I left like late. Yeah, I left late. So this vlog will be up by Saturday evening because I want to get another vlog for you guys by Monday up so that I can be consistent. You understand? Yeah. So you guys will be getting this vlog by Saturday evening. Yeah, that's good, right? That's good, right? Good, right? Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my week because it was hectic. It was hectic, but it was fun. Yeah, you understand? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to be notified when I Gratitude Chocolate uploads another video.
She get high cause she dip on moon. Bye.